What's up guys? Big day today.
So we're dropping the car to Custom Decals. We're at the shop right now. So their Red Seal Body Tech is going to perfect all of the bodywork that we couldn't get 100%. We're not body techs, so we can't get it perfect. So he's going to take care of that, and once he's done, they're going to lay the new wrap. So the car is officially Custom Decals. We have to ride home on the bike, and it's a little bit cold. Hey guys, we just finished dropping the car off at the shop. We didn't get to film much as we had a lot going on, so I'm going to give you a quick overview of everything that went down. So the first topic that we discussed was bodywork. All the prep that will have to be done before they start wrapping. So Nick, their Red Seal Body Tech, and Ryan, one of the owners, and I just went over the whole car and talked about all the bodywork that needs to be completed. We also talked about specifics when it comes to the actual wrap portion of the job. There's certain stuff that I want done. So the carbon vents I want exposed, the carbon duckbill I want exposed, and there's going to be some two-tone accent colors throughout the car. So I just talked about where I want those different inlays, and we came up with a plan. Since we won't be posting this video for a couple weeks, I'm going to throw in a couple update pictures and videos that the shop sends me. So I'll throw in a couple clips right now and you can see some updates.
We are back again. We haven't really been the best at filming. We've had so much going on, but today we are dropping off the mounted wheels and tires at the wrap shop, and they're gonna put them on and kind of show us the progress that they've been making. So you guys are gonna come along with us for that. And it's kind of yucky weather, so that kind of sucks. And we're out of wiper fluid, so we can't see. So if we crash, someone can have those. Just got done dropping off the wheels. That was insane. What are your thoughts?
I mean, they look amazing, and the fitment is perfect, but I need to lower it even more, which means I think I need to lower it like 2 inches, which means my front splitter is going to be like on the ground.
5 hours later.